Welcome to GearGrinders, your go-to source for the latest motorcycle news. Today, we're diving into the 2025 GASGAS EC 300 GP, a high-performance two-stroke enduro machine built for riders who crave agility, power, and race-proven technology. Let's break down what makes this bike a serious contender in the off-road world. Engine and performance. At the core of the EC 300 GP is a 293.2cc two-stroke engine featuring electronic fuel injection (EFI) for precise power delivery. The updated power valve system ensures a smooth and linear power band, making it ideal for technical terrain and fast-paced riding alike. Plus, with an electric start, getting the bike running is effortless, even after tough crashes or stalls. Chassis and suspension. Built on a lightweight chromoly steel frame, the EC 300 GP offers the perfect balance of rigidity and flex for superior handling. The WPXACT 48mm air fork and WPXACT rear shock provide race-ready suspension, ensuring top-notch performance over rocks, roots, and deep ruts. Ergonomics and weight. Weighing around 233 pounds (106 kg), the EC 300 GP is designed for maximum agility. The bike's bodywork is slim and ergonomic, with a flat seat profile and optimized rider triangle for superior control. The updated plastics not only enhance durability but also give the bike its signature aggressive look. Braking and traction. The Brembo hydraulic brakes deliver exceptional stopping power, allowing riders to attack corners with confidence. GASGAS has also included an advanced traction control system, helping to maintain grip in slippery conditions without compromising the bike's signature two-stroke responsiveness. Final thoughts. The 2025 GASGAS EC 300 GP is built for serious enduro riders who want a lightweight, high-performance machine capable of tackling extreme terrain. With cutting-edge suspension, fuel-injected power, and race-proven reliability, this bike is ready for anything. Stay tuned to GearGrinders for more updates on the latest motorcycles. If you're a fan of two-stroke enduro machines, the EC 300 GP is a must-ride.